what we're going to do is we're going to run and set up these batteries how they're supposed to be.
In parallel, not in series.
Yeah.
In series makes it a 24 volt.
Yeah, it does.
And we found out the trolling motor could be in 24, but the rest can't.
I bet you it'll run a hell of a lot better now.
Oh, I guarantee it will. Like, after I looked, I was like, that's not right.
All right, so what we need to do, this is bank 1. It's already set up with just the main motor and bank
charger.
1 charger. That's it. So then we need to undo these, and we're going to...
That should be 2.
Yeah.
I guess it doesn't matter 2 or 3, but...
Do you have electric tape? We'll tape all these extra wires off.
Sure do.
We'll tape these wires off just to make sure we're not going to make fire on water, because that would be bad. I'm gonna zip tie all these together. Make it real easy. So those can stay out of the way.
What color electrical tape?
Whatever one covers tips. This battery and this next battery, we're gonna hook up in parallel here. So what we need to do to run in parallel is go get a jumper and go positive to positive, and then another jumper and go negative to negative. Got this one here, or let's pump this one to the back. Okay, and then we will drop this puppy in here. Okay, so we got positive, positive, so we could run.
Oh, it's that bad.
Positive to negative on the charger. And then what we're gonna do is, this is the negative off the trolling motor. We want to go the negative to one battery, the positive to the other. So then what that's doing is it's making it one whole battery and pulling through. So you're only gonna have one that's actually on there. I'm just throwing metal around, that's smart. So on this battery, bank 2, we'll have the negative trolling motor with the negative power bank charger. And then on the positive side, we will just have the positive charger. Okay. Now, on the opposite one, we have the positive trolling motor one with the jumper. And then I also want the positive charger for bank 3. So you have 3 on this one, just because the jumper is running to the post, not the terminal thick. Ow, bug, mosquito in my ear. Thank you.
So the jumper, is that cable?
This big cable.
Okay, yep, jumps
That's
to
your
that one.
jumper.
So positive to
I need our
positive,
negative.
correct?
Yes, I need our negative jumper.
It didn't have one.
How do you not have a negative jumper if you were in running? You just were positive to positive?
That's how it was running. This is how it came. I looked at it and said, that don't look right, but okay.
Oh. Well.
I can get us.
Do you have some thicker gauge?
I don't have anything like this available.
And you don't have big enough connections.
You're right, to run. Wait, so this jumper runs from a post, clip post.
Yeah, it's fine.
Which is fine.
Yep.
Oh, that's...
They're not tight yet.
That's okay. Is this? No. To that, which is to a terminal post instead, which is fine.
And you can get them to where they go the stud to a stud, or you can go to
It didn't have one.
How do you not have a negative jumper if you were in running? You just were positive to positive?
That's how it was running. This is how it came. I looked at it and said, that don't look right, but okay.
Oh. Well.
I can get us.
Do you have some thicker gauge?
I don't have anything like this available.
And you don't have big enough connection.
You're right, to run. Wait, so this jumper runs from a post, clip post.
Yeah, it's fine.
Which is fine.
Yep.
Oh, that's...
They're not tight yet.
That's good. Is this? No. To that, which is to a terminal post instead, which is fine.
And you can get them to where they go the stud to a stud, or you can go terminal post to terminal post. Either way, it doesn't matter.
So I need to get me some of that
so
thick gauge stuff for the negatives.
And if you go to Walmart, they have them already made.
Just go to Walmart then and get a negative.
Back in the automotive, they're up on the wall, and you could just go. You need to go negative to negative.
Because positive to positive, and then everything will be attached. One battery will have all positive, and one will have all negative. Correct?
Yes. So I'm gonna hook this up, and this is not going to. Actually, I can't do it. Oh, I can't. Watch me work some magic. Where's my little jumper? Is it long enough?
Fuck.
I mean, darn. I'm gonna go red just because it shouldn't be. Since this is straight.
I just want to know why. I just want to know why they were running it in series and not in parallel.
Because they didn't know what the fuck they're doing.
It's fair.
Since. And you better call me if you fucking forget. But.
For what? To just
so you can charge this. And make sure everything's working how it should.
So it was charging the way it was. 2 and 3 were charging. One was.
It was, but it wasn't.
Wasn't, but it wasn't. It said it was, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
Well, that explains why I was having volt issues. I also probably need to replace all 3 of these batteries at some point. So, I know the 2 that are going to be running in parallel need to be the same type of battery.
That is good.
And then this one can be, if a starter can be a deep cycle, which it probably...
I run all deep cycles. You don't have to.
Oh, I'd love to be running some lithiums, but...
If I were you, at least your cranking can be whatever. It's just...
I'll probably just keep my cranking as a deep cycle or a regular battery.
Mm-hmm.
But if I ever... Okay, if I ever... When I ever upgrade, it'll be to some lithiums.
Yeah.
Well, I say that, but
yeah.
Watch they go out in 2 months, and I'm not spending lithium money then.
They were nice and they were expensive.
I was going to get... I can't remember the brand name. It wasn't like a super high end, but it wasn't like a weird Amazon type.
Okay.
Life Pro or something.
Yeah. I would rather get these taped individually, so when we are fishing, it
nothing
doesn't fucking
shocks the boat. Nothing.
Yeah. And we can. Oh, there we go.
I will. Here. Grab that.
We're just gonna tape these all up, so then that way
we don't electrocuted.
I need a little bit more.
I can. I had white tape, but I couldn't find it.
We just don't want any sparkies. Definitely not done with the wiring. I mean, we basically...
We got it to the point it'll run.
Yeah, we got to the point where we got the main things. We'll be able to go out in the daylight. We got all of our safety stuff. We'll be able to go fishing. And we are going to at least take you guys along and see what our first day on the water with this thing will look like. The trolling motor will stay locked. We will find out. We'll have a screwdriver and can fix that. But other than that, we should be able to fish. hopefully get on some fish. I feel like we do a little bit of crappie action, and then I think we could take her to a couple holes.
Try it out, see what we can find.
We can find some fish. I'm not worried. Go catch some channel cats, catch some crappie, get a mess, get the live well full. We'll have to probably.
Sauger.
I ain't going after walleye. It's freaking
Too
July.
late.
It's July.
July, they ain't biting. Crappie, maybe.
Crappie, they are.
Catfish, absolutely.
We'll get it figured out. Go get some fish in the boat. We might have to use our little bailing bucket to fill the live well, but we'll get her figured out, and then we will keep working on this. We'll get one good fishing trip out of it. Then hell. Oh, it does work while
it does work stored. Huh. Okay.
Get one good trip out of it, and then it's gonna be just remodel time. It's a lot of stuff needs to be done.
There you go.
Thanks for watching. See us in the next one, or see you in the next one. It's late. It's actually early.
It's really early. It's 1:10.
Oh, I still gotta drive home. Have a good one.